wood chips are sorted by the vibrating screens, the perfect chips are funneled via enclosed belts to the massive outdoor storage piles.
The continuous pulp sheet is precisely cut and stacked into bales. An automated arm then wraps the bales in tight blue.
The consistency at the edge is still fluctuating.
Yep. We need to adjust the flow rate immediately.
The massive rolling nips apply enormous pressure to the damp web.
At the size press, a starch solution strengthens the sheet and controls absorbency, which is crucial for the final product. Prior to winding, the cardboard cores travel through a flexographic printer, where rubber plates transfer brand logos and recycling. System shows pick one unit, item 3, 4, 5, 6.
Picking now.
Confirmed. Place on pallet position 2.
Bay 3 manifest confirmed. Move the next pallet to Bay 5.
Morning. Got your toilet paper order here.
Thanks. Let me sign for it. Looks complete. temperature is still climbing fast.
Yeah, consistency looks good though. Keep an eye on the flow rate.
The calcium carbonate byproduct, or lime mud, is pumped into the automated filter press, where hydraulic rams At the mill's wastewater treatment plant, process water flows into a massive circular primary clarifier.
In the biological treatment stage, wastewater is pumped into long, rectangular aeration basins.
The probes meticulously measure pH, temperature, and dissolved oxygen, ensuring the water meets all.
All right, keep the tension steady. Pull it through now, easy on the left side.
Check the flow rate on the Kajani line. It's starting to trend yellow.
I see the deviation. Opening the steam assist valve now. Monitor the pressure.
The replanting schedule for Sector 4 needs adjustment based on the new growth data.
We should prioritize the western stands for the next rotation.
Lumber planks are cut from logs on a bandsaw. The resulting slabs and edgings are immediately fed into a chipper, creating a valuable fiber stream for the pulp mill.
Here in the lab, we use a standardized apparatus to measure the exact time it takes for a colored solution to be completely absorbed.
These new designs not only elevate the brand perception, but also utilize 20% less material.
Wholesale cost. How does this impact?
Trim from the edges of the paper web, and any rejected paper is shredded and slurried in a repulper. This fiber is pumped back to the beginning of the machine's wet end.
We've got good coupling here. Reading is 25.3 millimeters.
Okay, log that against Sector 4. The visual pitting is minimal.
Watch the tension at the fourth roller. We are still showing a slight pressure drop in the dryer.
Adjusting the steam valves now. The web is reforming.
This machine runs 24 hours a day, producing the paper you see right here. We're proud to be a vital part of the local community.
The cycle begins anew.
These are the future forests that will feed the mill decades from now.